Hello, my name is Pooja Pendur. I am from second year Division A. Our first assignment was the minor project to design a play area for the childrens, but the condition of childrens, the some of the childrens are disabled or some of the childrens are handicapped. So while designing for them, also we mentioned the five senses: vision, smell, sound, taste and touch. With respect to these five senses, we had to design a park or playing area for these children having age from 3 to 6 years old. The first assignment, there are some experience about these five senses and how we these five senses used in architectural form. These are smell, touch, vision, experiences in the architectural form. The next assignment is, this is the modular model for children's play area having 1:100 scale, which is made from file board. We had to add these senses like sound, touch, vision in every structure of this model. That's why here I add some sand-like structure, rope-like structure. This is the 3D modular play area which having many bright colors. If the person is handicapped, so for that I provided here some lift. For more enjoyable, I add here many bright colors as well as picture of cartoons. That's why children get attached towards here. This is the plan elevations and this section of this playing area. The next is one of our case study. The case study of Aesop House by Stephen Hall. This is the part of our major design project. This house is designed by Stephen Hall in New York. 918 square foot property comprises. This project is built by and designed by architect Stephen Hall. The climate of New York is humid and subcontinental. The house is simple and square with no wall. The climatic conditions are humid subtropical. The wind flow of New York is from the north. The soil condition is hornel soil. This is the plan of that house. The circular dome is the entry. In front of that there is a living hall. Behind that living hall there is a kitchen, and this staircase are go towards the bedroom. These all connections are made by leveling the structures without giving any internal or partition wall. This is mount-like structure which is made by the wood. These are the elevations. In elevation we can see there are many windows. There is a cold climate, that's why architect gives many windows. This is the section and these are the models. This is the entrance having dome like structure. This is the feature window having glass, so we can sit here and enjoy the outside view. The whole structure is made by using only natural materials, natural and traditional materials. These are the light fixtures where 3D printed bulb. These are two bedrooms. This is the mountain-like structure. The next assignment is site analysis. I choose my site in Kolkata. The location of Kolkata. Kolkata is located in West Bengal. This is the art and culture of Kolkata. In Kolkata we see many museum, mansions, and the painting, and there is culture. Most famous cultural activity is Durga Puja. These are the some architectural elements and the some structure in Kolkata. The traditional house study, I choose courtyard houses of Kolkata. Courtyard are used to ventilation and as well as social gathering functions. Uh, Courtyards also can be divided into public courtyards and personal courtyards. These courtyard are connected to the different rooms of our house. The climate of Kolkata is hot and humid. These are the some plants and the sections of that house. The climate of Kolkata. Kolkata has tropical wet and dry climate. Summers are hot and humid. Winters are only for 2.5 months. And annual rainfall is 62.3 inches. My site is located in Kolkata near the medical cyclotron. The orientation, my site is facing west side. On west side and the south side there is a road. The wind flow of Kolkata is from south to north. There is a alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is a porous in nature. On that alluvial soil we can give raft foundation or the pile foundation. These are the foundation types and their details. The topography of site. Site is plain. Around the site there are vegetation. The rainfall of Kolkata. Kolkata has heavy rainfall in rainy days. In neighborhood context there is a school and ATM, railway station. Brick, mud, bamboo, thatch, timber are the materials we can use. Basically we have to design a house for a family having mother, father, son and daughter. From that one child is blind, so daughter is blind, she loves drawing. Father is civil engineer and mother is housewife. These are some requirements of their house. If requirements are collected, then we put into this form and make like a bubble diagrams according to a climatic study and the sun path. This is the sun path of Kolkata having in different month and different times. In this chart, overall all the information and the site analysis get together about the Kolkata. This is the bubble diagram. First I design a plan. The wind flow is from the south and this is the sun path. So I kept all these public area at lower level, and at upper level I keep personal areas, because the personal areas we use only in night, and at the night side this area is very good for the personal areas. This is the plan. This is the final plan. Here is the parking. After parking we can go into this entry. My entry is from east side, north is here, so southwest side is very hot, so that's why I'll keep day activity at lower level, and this is a 2-meter drop, and the wind flow is from south, so the wind goes to this way, so I add here courtyard and the water body. So when wind get in this way travel, so all these area get cold. I here add water body also. This is the amphitheater. This is the master bedroom, children's bedroom. The girl love dancing, so I add here a dance studio. These are the some 3D views of my house. This is the 3D view of house. This is the outdoor sitting area. Kolkata has traditional sari which have color white and red. So I use white and red here. And in Kolkata we can see the many columns. So I add here a columns. And my person is blind. So for that I add here many textures. And in Kolkata there are Durga Puja is very important. So in courtyard I add here a Durga Mandap and a, traditional material I use in this bamboo, some concrete, bricks. At the behind, this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen garden. At upper level there is a sitting area. This is the elevation. In elevation we can see there is a 2 meter drop between two levels. At lower level there is a hall and kitchen courtyard which are public areas, and at upper level there are all the bedrooms which are personal areas. These are the sections. Thank you.